Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Volvo XC90. First, gather essential safety gear like gloves and eye protection. Next, carefully position the donor vehicle so it is close to your Volvo, but make sure the vehicles are not touching. Finally, confirm both vehicles are completely turned off before you begin connecting any cables. This ensures a safe starting process. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. Take one end of the red positive cable and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Volvo's dead battery. Then, connect the other end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Next, take one end of the black negative cable and connect it to the negative terminal of the donor battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative cable end to an unpainted metal surface on your Volvo, away from the battery. This creates a good ground. Now, start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. After waiting, try starting your Volvo XC90. Once your Volvo XC90 is running, it's time to disconnect the cables safely. First, remove the black negative cable from the unpainted metal surface on your Volvo. Then, disconnect the black negative cable from the donor battery. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Finally, remove the red positive cables, starting with the donor vehicle's battery, then your Volvo's. Drive your car for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.